Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. We are back in the shop today, back in the garage with Bertha here. One of the big problems I have with Bertha, let me show you. Do your saddlebags look like that? Basically, a mess of just who knows what. Well, I got the solution for you, and I found this on Amazon. I will post links in the notes below, so if this is something that interests you, you can get one for yourself. It costs about $50, comes with 2 saddlebag liners. I don't know if it's a liner, because a liner would be like the whole thing, right? So 2 saddlebag organizers. There you go. They do have Velcro on the back, so when you get them positioned, you can kind of peel this paper off, stick it to the sidewall, and that'll help it stay in place. Mainly it's held by these 2 spots where your grommets go in, and it is pretty thin. It's pretty thin material there, so it shouldn't impede the grommets anyway. So it's got that'd be the left side, so that one goes over there. And yeah, oh, it's even marked. It's got a little R, right side. Oh, that had a nail. Didn't even see it. Anyway, so we're gonna pull all the junk out of the saddlebags. We're gonna stick these in and see what it looks like. See if it makes a difference. Give you an idea of what you're looking at here. They do have 2 Velcro pockets, or 1 Velcro pocket. It's a decent sized pocket there. And over on this side, it's got a zippered pocket. Store stuff in, and oh, yep, and another little pocket behind that. So 1 and a zipper, 2, 3, so 4 pockets on this one. On the left-hand side, it's got mesh with Velcro. I guess you could put like glasses in there. I don't think you could fit a water bottle in there. A smaller pocket here. I don't know what you'd use that for. A Velcro pocket, and another zipper pocket. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dump all the junk. Let's get to it. So you see I carry Pledge, if you watch my video about Pledge for paint and Windex for chrome. Bag for my luggage in case it rains. Probably take these out of here too. Bungees, rags, keep the rags. There's that missing charger I've been looking for. All right, so that saddlebag is relatively cleaned out. What we're gonna do is just pull out one of these at a time. Get your washer and your pin out. Put it through this hole here. Stick it back in. All right, pins are in. Pull the paper off the Velcro. Okay, paper off the Velcro, and we'll stick it on. There we go. Well, I think in this zipper pocket, registration card. Now, I do have a little tip for you. So, if you notice, those pockets probably will not hold all of these bungee straps that I've accumulated over the years. What do you do with them? Let me show you a great tip. This one's free of charge. I don't charge extra for it. The 1-gallon Ziploc bag. Shove everything in there. Shut it almost all the way and squeeze the heck out of it. Get the air out of it and zip it up. And there you go. Nice, thin, compact, and it's not getting tangled up in all your rags and junk, right? There we go. So you can just take this and drop it in there like that. So what do we have left? We have a ratty-do rag and a couple rags and an extra pair of gloves. So this extra pair of gloves, I'll just stuff them in there like that. These extra rags, we can do the same Ziploc bag trick. Look at that. It's like you vacuum sealed it. Takes up half the room. So I would pretty safely say everything that came out of that saddlebag, just about, I threw away maybe a handful of stuff, just went back in that saddlebag. Let's take a look. There it is. Small little package of rags, small little package of all those bungee cords, including that spider bungee net and everything that you saw in there, spider web net. Extra gloves are here, registration is there, and zip ties are over here. I think the only thing that didn't go back in there that came out of there is this Torx screwdriver and this one glove because I can't find the matching glove. Oh yeah, and my charger that I found. Short of that, everything that came out just went back in. And this thing is nice. It's not gonna flop around. It's not gonna get in the way when you reach in, grab your stuff out. Heck yeah, man. Oh yeah, I didn't put in the suntan lotion because it was empty, nor the pledge. One fresh can of suntan lotion. It's gonna be hot this weekend when we travel. One fresh can of dollar store lemon pledge. And there we go. Look how much room is in that saddlebag now. That's really it, Yogi Clan. That's all I wanted to show you. Between this liner and this one I will put in afterwards on the other side, I just really carry my tools in there, so it's an empty, when my tools aren't in there, it's an empty saddlebag. So that side's for my tools. This side, Mama uses this side, or I'll use this side, Mama used the trunk, but I just wanted to show you this and my secret, the Ziploc bag. These things are the bomb. So if you got a touring bike with saddlebags, with touring bags, I recommend these. For 50 bucks, they're pretty nice, and it really does help clean up and organize those saddlebags, because there's nothing worse than when you're looking for something, especially if you're in your hurry and you're digging through your bag and you can't find it. That's a pain in the butt. So I hope this tip helps you. Check out the Amazon link if you want to get yourself a pair, and I thank you for joining Yogi Clan. Appreciate you stopping by the shop. I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll catch you soon. Peace.